dear children, we are back again. Happy to see all your smiley faces. In the last class, we went to a lonely island. There we saw a fisherman and his wife. What about the textbook? Read the textbook? Yeah, good. Up to where we learned in the last class? In the last class, we enjoyed the first part of our story entitled The Island. And what was the speciality of that island? It's a lonely island. The people of the island led a quiet and simple life. They had no electricity, no phone, no television and no newspaper. The islanders had no hairbrush, no mirrors either. Mirror. We know what's a mirror and what's the use of a mirror. In the morning, we spend a lot of time in front of the mirror, isn't it? Yeah, especially the girl children. Am I right? Okay, for what purpose we are looking to the mirror? To check how we are. To check ourselves. Okay, now I shall show a video. It's very funny. You will love it sure. Let's have a look. Here, the baby is fooled by the mirror. The little girl sees her own image in the mirror. She thinks it's another baby and is playing and laughing. It's very funny, no? Okay, let's watch another video. Here, the animals, what did the animals do when they saw the mirror? They tried to catch it. They tried to attack the mirror. The animals thought it's another animal and they became frightened and tried to attack it. We know that it's a mirror. We are not frightened. What's the reason? We know that it's a mirror and it's just an image. That's why we are not frightened. There are many such funny incidents. One such funny incident is in your textbook. What is that? Any idea? Okay, let's read and find out. Here we go with the rest of the story. Shall I read? Okay, what will you do? You may look at the screen and read along with me. Okay? Ready? Father comes alive. One day, the fisherman was walking along the seashore. After the death of his father, it was for the first time he was going out. Oh, my father, how loving he was, he thought. Never can I see him again. Suddenly, a flash of light fell on his eyes. Something shining was lying on the sand. He picked it up and looked at it. He had never seen such a thing before. He saw a face in it. He was scared. He threw it away. But after a while, he walked towards it again. He picked it up and saw the face in it again. He had never seen his own face before. He thought that it was his father's face. He was very happy. He thanked God for sending his father's picture. He smiled at the picture. What a surprise! It smiled back. he turned the mirror close. He turned the mirror to see if his father was behind it, but he could not see anyone. Once more he turned to his face. "Ah, my loving father," he spoke to his father. His father's lips moved, but he heard nothing. He became sad. He cried. His father too seemed to cry. He held the mirror close to his heart and went home. I hope all of you read with me. Okay, now it's your turn. Please pause the video and read 2 or 3 times. Okay? Now, here we are going to some questions. Ready for the question? Okay. First one. Look at the sentence. Suddenly, a flash of light fell on his eyes. Something shining was lying on the sand. He picked it up and looked at it. He saw a face in it. What is that thing? What is that? What did the fisherman get? Don't worry, I will give some clues. Okay, here comes the first clue. You look at me to see you. Got it? No? Second clue. I am made up of glass. Who am I? You look at me to see you. I am made up of glass. Who am I? What is that thing? Yeah, mirror. The fisherman got a mirror. Okay, here comes the second question. Can you find out a word from the passage which means beach? Find out a word from the passage which means beach. What is that word? Yeah, seashore. Seashore means beach. Okay, look at the sentence. Can you read it speedily? What is that sentence? She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Can you read that speedily as fast as you can? Read it 10 times. Okay, try it. Take it as a challenge. Okay, it's a tongue twister that you will study in the higher classes. Okay, here comes the third question. Okay, what happened to his father? What happened to fisherman's father? Yes, his father had died some days before. Okay, and the fourth question. Why did he thank God? He thanked God for sending his father's picture. Okay, good. All are good listeners. Okay, now let's come back to our story. Okay, one day our fisherman was walking along the seashore. Suddenly, a flash of light fell on his eyes. Something shining was lying on the sand. He picked it up and looked at it. He saw a face in it. At first he was scared. What is the reason? Because it's a new thing to him. A fisherman had never seen such a thing before. So he was scared. Let me spell that word scare. S-C-A-R-E. Scare means frightened. Okay, the fisherman frightened. What's the reason? He had never seen such a thing before. So he threw it away. But after a while, he walked towards it again and picked it up. And he saw a face in it. Now he was very happy. He saw his father's picture. He thanked God for sending his father's picture. Okay, was it a mirror to our fisherman? No, to him it was his father's picture. So the fisherman thought that it was his father's picture. So he thanked God for sending his father's picture. He was very happy and he thanked God for sending his father's picture. And he turned the mirror to see if his father was behind it. So he turned the mirror, but he couldn't see anyone. He spoke to his father, but his father's lips also moved, but he could not find anyone. He became very sad. He became very sad and he started crying. His father too seemed to cry. The fisherman held the mirror close to his heart and went home. Okay, at home, who is at home? Let's have a look. Yeah, his wife. Okay, the fisherman showed his father's picture to his wife. Can you make a conversation between fisherman and his wife? Write a conversation between fisherman and his wife. How can we start the conversation? You can write your own way. Okay. And the fisherman showed the picture of his father's picture to his wife. And she became surprised. Something happened there. Okay, that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.